There's a few ways you could do this. I think starting from a sketch, it would be pretty easy for this kind of object. You're talking about 65mm threads, so let's make a 70mm body. And 65 for our threads. And another one for the internal. Let's make that 60. And another 70mm one for the lid. No, that's all I want. Okay, so we'll extrude the outer wall. Let's just say 50. And extrude the inner wall and what will be our threads by 60, so 10mm above that. Make our lid 15mm. Oops, I forgot the bottom. Let's make our bottom even just 2. Okay, so we've got our main body and not what is not yet really a lid. Create a hole here. $10mm deep. 65mm wide. And flat bottom. You can actually do your threads while you're making the hole, but we'll skip that for the moment. Get this centered up. Okay, so we've got a hole in our lid and a body waiting for threads. We can make threads on both of them just using the thread tool. Select that outside face. Now I don't want this metric profile. I want the copy that's made for 3D printing. And the same as yours, it's defaulting to a 4mm pitch. But since you want 1.5, we'll go 1.5. Click on modeled. That one's done. Threads, select the interface of our lid. And I'm not sure why that goes to 64, but we'll just change it to 65 ourselves. 1.5 pitch, modeled. There, done. Those will fit together.